In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Outlook error not implemented step by step. This is a very common error that many Outlook and Microsoft 365 users run into, especially when trying to send or receive emails. The good news is that this issue is usually caused by corrupted send and receive settings or faulty Outlook add-ins, and it can be fixed pretty easily by repairing Microsoft Office. I'll walk you through the entire process from start to finish, so make sure to watch until the end. And if this video helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. All right, let's get started. First, make sure Outlook is completely closed before we begin. This is important because the repair process won't work properly if Outlook is still running in the background. Once that's done, go to your Windows search bar and type in Control Panel, then open it from the results. When the Control Panel opens, look for Programs and Features and click on it. This will show you a list of all the programs installed on your computer. Now, scroll through the list until you find Microsoft Office or Microsoft 365, depending on which version you're using. Once you locate it, right-click on it and select Change. This will open the Office Repair window. At this point, you'll see two repair options, Quick Repair and Online Repair. Quick Repair is faster and works offline, but for the Outlook not implemented error, I strongly recommend choosing Online Repair. Online Repair is more thorough and fixes deeper issues that Quick Repair might miss. Select Online Repair, then click on Repair. You may get a confirmation prompt asking if you want to continue, so go ahead and confirm. Now, just be patient. The repair process can take quite some time depending on your internet speed and system performance. It might look like nothing is happening for a few minutes, but don't interrupt it. Let the repair complete fully. Once the repair is finished, you'll see a completion message. At this point, close everything and restart your computer. Restarting is a very important step because it allows all the repaired Office components to load correctly. After your system restarts, open Outlook again and try sending or receiving an email. In most cases, the not implemented error will be completely gone. If the error was caused by corrupted files or broken settings, this repair process should fix it. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the Outlook error not implemented using an Office repair. If this tutorial saved you time or helped solve your problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple and effective tech fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.